Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Pay in Magento to boost checkout conversions, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Amazon Pay in Magento, start by logging into your Magento admin panel. Navigate to the store's menu on the left side. Select configuration from the drop-down options. In the configuration page, scroll down and find the sales section. Click on payment methods to open the payment options. Look for Amazon Pay in the list of available payment methods. Enable Amazon Pay by switching the status to enabled. Now, proceed to set the Merchant ID field. Enter the Merchant ID provided by Amazon Pay during your registration. Next, locate the Access Key field. Input your access key, which is available in your Amazon Pay account settings. Continue by adding the secret key in its designated field. This secret key is also found within your Amazon Pay account. Review the sandbox mode option and decide if you want to test transactions. If you are just starting, enabling sandbox mode is recommended for testing purposes. Scroll down to configure the payment actions setting. You may choose between authorize and authorize capture, depending on your preference. Set the title that will appear on the checkout page. This title should clearly represent the payment method for customer clarity. Customize additional options such as order status based on your store's workflow. Make sure to configure any necessary settings for handling fees if applicable. After finishing your configurations, click the Save Config button at the top right. Once saved, it's time to test the integration. Go to your storefront and proceed to checkout to see Amazon Pay as a payment option. Make a test purchase to ensure the payment method functions correctly. If everything is working, you have successfully authorized Amazon Pay in Magento. For any issues, revisit the settings or consult Amazon Pay support for assistance. With Amazon Pay integrated, you can expect improved checkout conversions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.